Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X5 guys and you all of a sudden guys develop smoke coming out of the exhaust, we'll explain guys top reason for that guys that we see here at the shop. You may think that your engine is done, maybe head gasket is done guys, broken rings, anything like that. No guys, it's usually one little device that can cause that, and we're going to explain guys where you can find that thing guys. So make sure to stay with us until the end. All the parts and tools that we use in our videos, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Another thing guys, before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, here guys we have a 6-cylinder engine N52 that we'll demonstrate on 3 Series. We're making specifically that video guys as a request. Many of you left comments in the comment section about failing CCV valve, white smoke out of the exhaust, so we're going to demonstrate on this one. But even guys, okay, if you have a different engine then the N52 procedure is practically the same. Now this N52 is actually in 3 Series, but as you know this is one of the most popular engines. You can find it in 3 Series, 1 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, even in Europe guys the 6 and 7 Series BMW. Super popular engine and super reliable engine in my opinion, with my one minor flaw, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit. So once you guys, okay, open the hood, we have the intake manifold removed here. If you want to see the video, everything is on the channel. Now when you remove the intake manifold guys, super important, okay, to disconnect your car battery, because you have the engine starter and the alternator wires here, and if you touch them you can short things out, burn the electronics, cause quite a bit of damage. And on modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. So guys, check it out. We'll have the video in the description of the video below. We'll share the link so it explains all that. With that being said guys, now on the back side of the intake manifold, if you have the N52 engine, you have that device, it's called CCV valve. Now some cars guys, okay, will have that device integrated in the valve cover. Okay, integrated in the valve cover, usually will be on top of the valve cover, really depends which engine you have. And this system, it's called CCV because it stands for crankcase ventilation. Some people call it PCV valve, okay, there is many names for that, some oil separator. What it does, okay, this is the big version. It connects guys to the top of the valve cover. This is the hose that connects. It comes to that device, okay, that device is going to catch the fumes and the vapors from the top, okay, of the engine. It's going to take them here, it's going to separate the oil. You will go in that hose on the bottom where it actually drains to the oil pan. Check it out. And from there guys, okay, the clean air will just be injected in the intake manifold. Now if that valve fails, what happens? It starts injecting oil in the intake manifold. It's going to end up in your cylinders, and as a result guys, you're going to end up needing a you're going to end up needing a new device, because you'll be smoking quite a bit guys. Okay, it can get really bad. It really depends on how much it failed guys. Now why they failed? Because if you drive the vehicle short distance, your X5 guys, and you don't let the oil warm up, okay, these pipes, okay, will build, they will have like a build-up on the inside, and that buildup will end up in the valve and it will clog up and it will not work. That's why there is multiple heaters guys, like this one here. There is a heater, okay, right there. Every hose has a heater, so it can keep the system warm and prevent clog ups, but it still happens guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out why a BMW X5 smokes guys. We're making this video as a request, as I said, answering to your comments. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.